In this video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching coupon banners with a countdown timer using the Smart Coupons plugin for WooCommerce. These banners are perfect for promoting flash sales, seasonal deals, and limited-time offers. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. First, we need to create a coupon that has an expiry date. Go to Smart Coupons, add coupon, and enter your coupon details as usual. Discount type, amount, and restrictions. Scroll down to the schedule section and set the start date and expiry date. The countdown timer uses this expiry date to calculate the time remaining, so make sure it's set correctly. Once done, publish the coupon. Now let's enable the promotional banner. Go to Smart Coupons, General Settings, open the Customize tab, and select Coupon Banner. Turn on the promotional banner toggle. This unlocks all the customization options for your banner or widget. Start by selecting the coupon you want to promote. Then choose where the banner should appear. For example, the cart page, checkout, or my account page. You can also decide what happens when the coupon expires. Hide the banner or show a custom expiry message. Next, choose what happens when users click the banner. Apply the coupon automatically or redirect them to a custom URL. If you choose redirection, you can enter the target link and even choose whether it opens in a new tab. You can display your offer as a full-width banner or a floating widget. Choose the format that suits your store's design. For banners, choose a top, bottom, or custom position using the Y-axis slider. For widgets, select from preset positions like top left, bottom right, or choose custom and fine-tune placement using X and Y sliders. You can change the background and border colors to match your brand theme. You also have full control over the content inside the banner. You can edit the title, description, customize the countdown timer, style the coupon code, and choose whether to show a close button. Each element has its own toggle, so you can easily turn parts on or off based on what you want to display. On the right, you'll see a mini preview panel showing real-time updates as you customize. This helps you visualize exactly how the banner will look on your site before you publish it. You can also snap a store screenshot for a precise on-site preview. Once you're done, click Save Changes to update the banner. If you'd like to place your banner in a very specific location, you can use a shortcode. Replace XX with the coupon ID. I've added this shortcode in the description below for quick reference. You can also use an advanced shortcode if you want more control over the banner's appearance, type, position, and colors. This allows you to fully customize how and where the banner appears on your store. And that's how you create and customize a countdown-powered coupon banner in WooCommerce using Smart Coupons. Try it out to boost your flash sales and highlight limited-time promotions. Thanks for watching.